Column addition and subtraction are methods used to add or subtract numbers with multiple digits. Here's a breakdown of each. Column addition. Start from the right. Begin adding the digits in the rightmost column, the units place. Add the digits vertically, including any carried over digits from previous columns. Carry over. If the sum of digits in a column exceeds 9, you carry over the tens place to the next column to the left. Continue adding. Repeat the process for each column, moving from right to left until all columns have been added. Example. Column subtraction. Start from the right. Begin subtracting the digits in the rightmost column, the units place. Subtract the digits vertically, borrowing if necessary. Borrowing. If the digit being subtracted is larger than the digit above it, you borrow from the next higher place value. Continue subtracting. Repeat the process for each column, moving from right to left until all columns have been subtracted. Example. Column addition and subtraction are fundamental arithmetic operations, and are often used in various mathematical problems and everyday calculations. They provide a structured way to add or subtract numbers efficiently, especially when dealing with larger numbers or multiple digit numbers.
Thanks for watching. Just let me know answers as comments.